I really need someone again, yeah. So help me contain my pain. I tried to find you, but in vain. I'm drowning in this ocean of shame. Here I am, walking down the streets, headphones on my ears, let me get out of this life. Feeling stuck in the lies, like might be seen or disguised. I don't know what happened, but individuals are something we can reckon on. People don't get it, I'm sick of their mistakes, I'm sick of this illness. She drives us crazy, why you don't see it? She's hiding and waiting for us to let her in our body. I mean it, open your eyes and admit it. The reason why you can't is because she's in here already. You feel it? You feel lost or a bit stupid. She's eating all the goodness and the sweetness you once carried. Let it go, please. Be yourself, promise you'll never be directed by someone else.